It's the most wonderful time of the year. Dollar Tree has their Christmas stuff out, and I cannot wait to get DIYing. I grabbed a variety of holiday shapes as well as some 3D fabric paint and a few other things because with DIY and home decor prices that low, Dollar Tree gets me every time. I took my holiday shapes outside, spray painted them brown, and then I brought them in to create some faux gingerbread items. I used that 3D puff paint that I've done for years, but I've had to buy it at other stores, and now that I can get it at Dollar Tree, I can save so much on my Christmas DIYs. I outlined everything, made them look like a gingerbread wonderland, and then I grabbed some foam shapes from the Dollar Tree floral section to create some peppermints to add a little bit of color. Then to pull it all together, I'm using 5 Dollar Tree small Christmas trees, wrapping them together end to end and adding some lights and berries also from Dollar Tree. Let's decorate. This is so festive and affordable thanks to Dollar Tree. Be sure to check out your local Dollar Tree store for DIY supplies, decor, and more this holiday season so you can save on all the things you need to create Christmas magic.